With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, in the given question we have been asked that NH4Cl can be replaced by ammonium sulfate in group third cation. Is it true or is it false? Okay, we have to tell is it true or is it false. So we know that the group third cations are Fe3 plus, Al3 plus, Zn 2 plus, nickel 2 plus. Okay, the group reagent is NH4OH and NH4Cl. Okay, why NH4Cl is added with NH4OH? NH4Cl is a strong salt and it suppress dissociation of ammonium hydroxide due to presence of common ion NH4 positive. Okay, and this is known as common ion effect. This is known as this effect is known as common ion effect. Now we have to use a salt which has NH4 plus ion and it is a strong. So ammonium sulfate is a strong electrolyte. Okay, it is strong electrolyte. Also, it has common ion NH4 positive, but we can't use it, but we cannot use it instead of NH4Cl because it will form precipitates of group fourth and further cations. Okay, it will form sulfate precipitate of group 4 and further cations like barium. Okay, barium sulfate is insoluble, it will form a precipitate. Then we have strontium. Okay, it is also insoluble. Calcium, and we have the Mg2 plus sulfate. So we cannot use because we want to analyze group 3 cations. Okay, so precipitate of group 3 cations should be formed, but NH4 sulfate, ammonium sulfate, will precipitate barium sulfate, strontium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, calcium sulfate. So it cannot be used. Hence, our answer is false, that we can't use ammonium sulfate instead of ammonium chloride.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.